Maktine Jochiw thieth halafauchiel e kaunti ma Nairobi chako ong'anyo odiechieng' ma kawuono chakre saa 8 kaluwore gi weche magikone sirikand kaunti no dagi keto e wang'e. E twak ma jotelogo no obedo godo Jochiw thieth mopogore opogore e kaunti no obedo go kod jofwambo Nairobi gikone chakre dwe mar 4 gisebedo kod ywaruok gi tend kaunti ma Nairobi e wi deko mar osara ma ioro nus ka ng'eto kaka mago kuma mag thieth mag bengi bende koro tend kaunti no okosebedo ka chwalo. Chakre odiechieng' ma kawuono gikone gi ng'anyo ne tich nyaka chop gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja los yo makare mar chulogi.
Since beginning of the year, the third party deductions or they started being paid. They used to pay net salary. So we kept on hoping that they would improve. Until now it was too much. The health workers started being taken to CRB. The banks were on their neck such that when you get that net, it is taxed as interest on the loans that were behind.
When you delay my house allowance, because that one is part of salary, when you delay that commuter allowance, when you take away my medical cover, actually we have a statutory deduction in SHA. Our SHAs are not paid. So that means today if I get sick or my dependent gets sick, they cannot get the same services that I'm still continuing to render to Nairobi citizens.
Here we are representatives of many thousands, of more than 6,000 healthcare workers in Nairobi that have received their salaries and who are going to down their tools in the next 1 hour.